Hey guys, welcome back to the arena. My name is Jarrell, and today we're here in English Bay, downtown Vancouver, for one specific reason. There's a new burger restaurant just opened up, and it's called Pijo.
This is the first Pijo burger location in Vancouver, BC. The other two locations is located in Calgary and Toronto. It is literally right across English Bay. Let me show you. There's English Bay, then there's Pijo's Burger. And the man behind this new burger joint, Canada's award-winning chef, Mike, aka Chef Pijo.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Doing good, thanks. Alright, so you can place an order either on Uber Eats, skip the dishes, or not directly on the website.
Okay.
And then we receive the order, and then we'll let you know as soon as it's ready.
Alright.
Yeah, no worries.
This is a double bacon cheeseburger and it's good. That's all I got to say about that. Obviously, they have more than just a burger. They have a lot of sides and they have a burger for vegetarians. All you have to do is check out their menus and order.
Alright guys, thanks for watching my video, and hope you guys liked it. Get yourself some Pijo burgers, actually really good, and let me know in the comment below what you think about the taste. For me, I love it. Not sure about you guys, but do let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.